Okay, so let's create the two intermediary classes that link book and author and book and category. So in the models, I'm going to add another class and I'll call it book author. And here we need the book ID and the author ID because that's what we are actually linking. So it's going to be a property for the integer of book ID and another property for the integer of author ID. But remember, in order for us to actually link this to the book and author classes, we need to add them here as well. So we'll create another property, and this one will be of type book, and we will bring the book class into it. And the second one obviously will be for the author, so we will bring the author class into the property. So this way, the book ID and author ID are linked together, and now we can go to a book class and actually add the book author class into it. So in the book class, we'll add the collection of book author. So let's create a property, and this one's going to be a virtual, and it's going to be the collection of type book author. And I'll call it book authors. And we need to add this also into the author class, because again we are linking the book and author, so it needs to be in both. And we can do the same for the categories, so let's create another class and I'll call it book category class, and this one will have the category ID and the book ID. So we'll have another property for the integer book ID and another property for the integer of category ID. But just like before with the author and book, we need to actually bring the classes here as well. So it's gonna be property, and this is going to be a book, and we'll add the property for the category as well. So now we have to go to category class, and here we need to add the book category collection. So it's gonna be collection of type book category, and I'll call it book categories. Let's make it virtual. And to link it with the book, we also have to have the same thing in our books as well. So our book class has the collection of book categories as well as the book authors, because we are linking both authors and categories to the book. Alright, so now we have all the classes, and Entity Framework can create the relationships from it. We already discussed the relationships, but let's have a final look at them, because understanding the structure of the relationships between the classes is essential in being able to construct the API.